Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
The man accused of a deadly shooting in Marana has now been indicted for murder. Marcus Dickson faces a second-degree murder charge. He was originally arrested for manslaughter after he shot and killed Martin Padilla last month in a shopping center parking lot. Court documents show Dickson honked at Padilla when he didn't turn right. After the light turned green, Dickson followed the car into the parking lot. The two got into a fight before Dickson shot Padilla twice. Padilla's family says he was teaching his oldest son how to drive.
Marcus Dickson was indicted for second-degree murder in connection to a June 30 incident in Marana. A grand jury formally charged him following the death of Martin Padilla. Court records from July 20th provided details from Marana authorities about the events leading up to the incident. The documents mentioned a dispute between Padilla and Dickson, which led to Padilla being fatally injured. At the time, Padilla was teaching his son, Hamza, how to drive. Hamza shared that they were heading to a restaurant with other family members when the situation began.
Convicted of a deadly road rage shooting in Marana was sentenced in Superior Court today. News 4 Tucson's Aliyah Shahid has our story.
A judge sentenced Marcus Dickson to 9 years in state prison in connection with the fatal shooting of Martin Padilla. It's a sentence the victim's family is calling justice.
I miss my dad from here to Neptune. I miss him so much, words can't even explain it.
Authorities say 40-year-old Martin Padilla was teaching his teenage son Hamza to drive in June of 2017 when they encountered Marcus Dickson. According to court documents, Dickson allegedly honked when Padilla did not turn on a green arrow. The two men eventually ended up in the parking lot of a nearby Marana Walmart where a fight broke out. Padilla ended up on top of Dickson, and that's when Dickson pulled out a gun and shot him. Authorities say Dickson fired again as Padilla tried to get up. Dickson was originally indicted on a charge of second-degree murder, but was ultimately convicted of manslaughter. Padilla's son says nothing can bring back his father, but he does see Monday's sentencing as justice.
I was very happy. I felt like justice has been done for my father, and I'm very content with it.
And Dickson has already spent 55 days behind bars ahead of his sentencing, and the judge will apply that to his 9-year term. Reporting from downtown, Aliyah Shahid, News 4 Tucson.
Is this the correct sentence?